back at it again with another vlog. Heading to work. Pretty good weekend. Gonna be a short week. I guess we gotta worry about this hurricane coming. I don't know. Keep an eye on it, see what happens. Alright. I'll go to work. Yeah, boy?
Winds and waves are just going to be extremely huge. We're talking about waves upwards of 30 to 35 feet right around the center of the storm. So those Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, you need to be on alert and have your preparations done. They need to be finished at this point. Now, as we head deeper into time, once we get to Friday morning, this is going to be north of the Dominican, headed towards the Turks and Caicos, the central islands of the Bahamas, and also north of Cuba. So make sure that your preparations are coming to an end here, because we need to make sure that we are ready within the next, I would say, about 24 to 36 hours. And then eventually the system is going to continue to track off to the north and west towards the state of Florida across the southeastern U.S., eventually making a turn.
Just got done with work early, like almost 10 o'clock. I'm gonna go start getting stuff ready for this hurricane. Put my shutters up, get gas in the vehicles, gas for the gas grill, all kinds of stuff. This thing look like it's getting worse. All right, at Home Depot. This place is crazy. Everybody getting wood and stuff for their shutters, for shutter up the house.
Este señor se llevó los carros.
Dame y ve lo último.
Vamos, muchachos.
Home Depot didn't have what I had needed or whatever. I'm looking for the little bit that goes on the drill bit or whatever to take off shutters or put on shutters. They didn't have it. That place was crazy. And the roads are crazy. People trying to get gas and stuff. Oh man, fun. Stuck in traffic. At the gas station, all these cars trying to get there.
A lifted truck, a customized car. They buy it all and they will pay you the max. Visit them today. It's Pay the Max.
God. Oh man. I'll tell you, every once in a while I got some bright ideas. I decided to put the hurricane shutters up in the attic so they'd be out of their way, or the man cave and stuff. Now I'm up here sweating my butt off trying to get these shutters. Ain't nobody here to help me. Just my luck. It gotta be 800 degrees up here too. Oh man. Alright. Maybe Oreo help me. Oreo, want help? Nah, he looks like he's relaxing right now. Alright, let me see how this goes. Hopefully I don't kill myself. Yeah, boy? Yeah, boy. Almost got one window done. Like 10 more to go. I see the screws up there. I hope them wing nuts are up there somewhere. Let me get the rest of the shutters down and put them up. Yeah, boy. Found them. Not only did I find them, they got one of the things I was looking for. Put this in my drill. And put these on, and I got an extra one. Yeah, boy. I'm ready. I'm ready to work. Yeah, boy. 2 windows done. This is the 3rd one, the 4th one. Oh man, it's hot. Yeah, boy. These 2 done. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Back door, front door. Oh man, I ain't even close to getting done. Yeah, boy. All done. This is the last one. Well, I got one more at the front door, but I'm not gonna put that one in until we get closer to go time. Go time. I'm gonna call it go time. You're still in the same spot. Oh, stretch a little bit, stretch. I know you've been working hard. And it sure is dark in here with these shutters on. I'm gonna leave this door off until go time. I already got the brackets or whatever up. The shutter's ready to go. Now I gotta pick up lawn chairs and hoses and all kinds of good stuff. Done. Done. Yeah, boy. All right. Bikes. Oh man, I got a whole bunch of stuff to put away. All right, let me get to it. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
How are you doing?
Good.
Is your room pretty dark?
Yep.
How's your day?
Good.
Pretty good day, lazy bum. What you doing? Watching the iPad? Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
I was gonna cook on the grill, have some brats and stuff, some steaks, but we ran out of gas, and I didn't know we was out of gas, and now all the gas around us is sold out. So I don't know. I'm working the Keys tomorrow, so hopefully I can go down there and get some. That sucks. I didn't know I was out of gas. I used to have a spare, but I don't know when we moved. I don't know what happened to my spare. Oreo. So. Just want to cook them in the house. Yeah, boy. Bon appetit.
Right? Yeah.
Got this griller pan. Something like that. No light?
You ain't never fixed my light. I gotta cook in the dark.
I'll fix it right now.
Yeah,
Yeah, boy. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Kitty.
Yeah, boy. Bon appetit.
Mom.
Time for ice cream? You gonna put hot sauce on it? What do you want me to do?
1, 2, 3, like and subscribe and comment down below. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Ooh, whipped cream.
Thank you.
Cherry, please.
I don't got no cherry.
What kind of ice cream parlor is this?
It's not an ice cream parlor.
Yeah.